Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through how to put restricted mode on Messenger. This is a simple and effective way to control your interactions with someone without fully blocking or unfriending them. It's quick, it's easy, and once you know the steps, you'll be able to use it anytime you need. So, let's get started. First, open your Messenger app on your phone or tablet. Once it's open, go to the chat of the person you'd like to restrict. This can be anyone in your contacts or anyone you've been chatting with recently. Once you've opened their chat, look up at the very top of the screen. Next, tap on the person's name. This will take you to their profile section within Messenger. Here, you'll see a list of options related to how you interact with them. Now, scroll down until you find the option that says Restrict. Once you see it, select that option. Messenger will give you a short message explaining what restrict mode does. In brief, restricting someone keeps your activity private from them. They won't be able to see when you're online, and their messages will move to a different section so you can check them without being notified right away. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping Restrict again. And that's it. You've successfully enabled restricted mode for that person. From now on, the person won't know that you restricted them. You'll still have access to their messages, but they won't get the same visibility into your activity. This makes it a great middle ground if you don't want to block someone entirely, but also want more privacy and control over your Messenger experience. If you ever change your mind, you can always go back to the same spot in their profile and remove the restriction. The process is just as simple. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to quickly put restricted mode on Messenger, keep your activity discreet, and manage your conversations on your own terms.